Welcome! In this video I will unbox this Redmi 13 phone and we'll together see what accessories and items it comes with. So in the beginning, let's have a quick glance at the packaging or the box. This phone comes inside of, so here you have the phone's name, the Xiaomi logo, the camera specs, so 108 megapixel super clear camera, as well as 33-watt fast charging. What else do we have here? So the immersive 6.79 inches or 17.25 centimeters 90 Hz refresh rate display and stylish glass back design, which we will check ourselves how stylish it is. Here you have the regular safety warnings and all that safety information. The phone also comes with massive 5K and 30 mAh battery and MediaTek Helio G91 Ultra CPU, or maybe it is actually the not only the CPU but the name of an entire logic board. Here you obviously get your barcodes with serial and email numbers, and the model that I have comes with 6 GB of random access memory and 128 GB of internal storage. Now let's actually start unboxing this phone. So in order to take out the top packaging or the top part of the box, I will need to get rid of those stickers. I think the easiest way to do that is to use my handy dandy knife. So we'll simply cut those stickers carefully like that. And now I should be able to take out the phone, no problem. Yep, that is true. So here is the star of the evening, the Redmi 13 smartphone itself. We'll have a more thorough look at it a bit later. Let's begin by checking what accessories and items it comes with and what you should expect. So here we are getting the complimentary phone case, which is nice if you ask me. I love when manufacturers ship their smartphones with included back panel case. So that's a nice little thing. You obviously get the safety manual or the safety information paperwork, as you will with any other phone. You also get the USB-A to USB Type-C charging and data transfer wire. And that's it, apart from the SIM injection tool, which you also obviously get. I really expected this phone to come with charging adapter or charging brick, but it doesn't. So keep in mind that you will need to buy the charging adapter separately. And you also get the quick start guide and warranty card as well. So we are definitely not interested in the paperwork, so let's take this protective film out of the smartphone and have a look at it. So indeed, this magnificent piece of technology has the glass back panel, which is going to attract a lot of fingerprints, dirt and dust, but man, does it look good. It actually really does. I just personally like the glass back panels in phones, so that's what it looks like. It also has this like noise pattern or stars pattern, like the star sky or something, which looks pretty stylish. The camera lenses, the camera modules also look great, and I just generally like the design of this phone. As far as I can see, it comes with a pre-installed screen protector. I'm not sure whether this is the tempered glass or the protective film, so don't quote me on that, but I mean, having any kind of protection by default is great. And that's what this phone looks like from all sides. See, it has the 3.5 millimeters headphones jack, so that's nice. Here you have the SIM card tray, mono speaker, Type-C charging port. This little hole is probably contains the microphone or something like that. And this is the selfie camera cutout. And well, as far as this video goes, the unboxing and the initial preview of this phone, that'll be. I think I've covered everything I wanted to. So should you have any additional questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.